Hey there, it's CreativeSarah here, and we are going to use the This Is Not a Drill transfer set. Isn't this adorable? 3 amazing, funny designs, all for really great t-shirts. That's what I am using them for. So the first one we're going to use is called This Is Not a Drill, and it's a picture of a hammer. So very funny, right? Perfect for my husband. So we've got this red t-shirt that I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and put the ink mat inside the t-shirt and flatten it out so there are no wrinkles or anything, and kind of have that centered so that I can work with it nice and easily. Okay, so I'm just getting all those wrinkles out. Then I'm going to place the transfer down, and I know it's off the screen a little bit, but bear with me. You won't miss a thing, I promise. So we are just going to peel the backer sheet off and stick it straight onto the fabric, no fuzzing or anything. Perfect. Then I'm going to use a mini squeegee, and I'm just putting the ink, it's our black velvet ink, all over the silk screen. Then I'm drying it. It's going to take you a while. Make sure it's completely 100% dry before you do anything. I'm just going to remove that ink mat. Make sure you use a cool setting. You don't want to heat that ink mat at all. It'll melt. It'll warp. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just put this little ironing mat inside that shirt so that I can iron it right there on my table. And I'm using a heat press. It only takes 30 seconds on the top and 30 seconds on the bottom. But if you are going to use an iron at home, just set it for the fabric setting that you have and just go ahead and iron that for 4 minutes on front and back. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you make some fun DIY t-shirts, and follow CreativeSarah for more ideas and inspiration.